Good morning Year 4 and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. First of all, we're going to go through the answers to yesterday's questions. So the first question, £9.15 plus £6.95. I know that adding £7 onto an amount of money is easier than adding £6.95. To get to £7, I need another 5 pence. So I partition £9.15 into £9.10 and 5 pence. I add the 5 pence onto £6.95, which gives me £7, and then I add the remaining £9.10 onto that £7, which gives me £16.10. In this question, £70.35 plus £11.85. I know that adding £12 would be easier than adding £11.85. To get to £12, I need another 15 pence. So I partition this amount of money, £70.35, into £70.20 and 15 pence. I add the 15 pence onto £11.85, so I get £12. And then I add the remaining £70.20 onto that £12, and the answer is £82.20. So hopefully you managed to do that in these questions. Just check your answers if you've made any mistakes, just so you can work out where you've gone wrong. In the second question, we look at the first one, £4.75 plus 95 pence. I also know that if I add £1 onto an amount of money, it's easier than adding 95 pence. If I add £1 on, I am adding on 5 pence too much. So I begin £4.75 plus £1 is £5.75. But I've added on 5 pence too much, so I need to take that away again. £5.75, take away 5 pence is £5.70. So we're still adding on the same amount. We're adding on 95 pence, but we're just doing it by adding on £1 and taking away 5 pence. In the second example, £16.40 plus 80 pence. I know that adding a pound onto £16.40 is much easier. It gives me £17.40. But I only want to add 80 pence on. I've added a pound, so I've added 20 pence too much on. So I take that away from the £17.40, and the answer is £17.20. So again, check your answers. Just look to see if you've made any mistakes, and if you have, hopefully you'll be able to work out where you've gone wrong. So in today's lesson, we're learning again to add two amounts of money, but we're looking at it with a different method. Adding pounds and pence is just like adding any other number, and we can use a column addition method. So if you look here, £8.75 plus £2.20. We've changed that into pennies just to keep it easier. First of all, we add the ones. 5 ones plus 0 ones is 5. 7 tens plus 2 tens is 9 tens. 8 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is 10 hundreds, which is the same as no hundreds and 1,000. So we have 1,095 pence. And if we change that back to pounds and pence, we have £10.95. So if we look at this example, £9.30 plus £15.45. So you might want to add the pennies together first and the pounds together, or you may want to go for it and do the column addition. Pause the video, have a go at that, and then we'll check the answers in a second. So you can see here we've done both methods. We've added the pennies together, 30 pence plus 45 pence is 75 pence. And we've added the pounds together, £9 plus £15 is £24. So the answer is £24 and 75 pence. You can also do a column addition method with it as pounds. So we'd add this column first, and we have 5, 7, and then we have to do a bit of regrouping over here to get £24. Whichever way you want to do it is correct, as long as you've got the answer £24.75. So here we have an advertisement for a shop with lots of different items. You'll need to get some paper to do your workings out, and you can use either method. You've got a variety of items that you're going to buy, so you've got to work out the cost of a packet of hairbands and a box of cornflakes. So you can see a packet of hairbands is 60 pence. A packet of cornflakes, a box of cornflakes rather, is £4.50. So you're adding 60 pence and £4.50, and so on. So again, pause the video, have a go at those, remember to use your workings, and then we'll check the answers in a second. Okay, so here are the answers to those calculations. I haven't got all my workings here, but for example, I will work out the cost of a raincoat and an umbrella. So I know a raincoat is £16.70 and an umbrella is £9.30. So, first of all, I'm going to change that just into pence. So I've got 1,670 pence plus 930 pence. I'm going to start off by adding the ones column. 0 ones plus 0 is 0. Then the tens column, 7 tens plus 3 tens, 10 tens, which is the same as no tens and 1 100. I regroup that. Then I'm going to add the 100, 600 plus 900 plus 100 is 1600s, which is the same as 1600s. Then I add the thousands together, which is 2000s. So I have 2,600 pence. I also know that I can write that as £26. So hopefully you were able to carry out the correct calculations in the same way, same column addition method that we've been doing for years now. And if you didn't, just check your answers against these and you can maybe see where you went wrong if you just go through them again. So today's questions, we have a number of column addition amounts for you to add together. These are all in pounds. And then again, you've got some different items and you need to fill in the amounts for the costs. Just be careful when you're doing these questions that you make sure you line the columns up correctly so that you are adding the pence together and the correct pounds together. And you make sure that you put that point back in as well so that it's written in pounds and pence. And we will go through the answers to those tomorrow. If you want to just double check them, just now pause the video and you can check them after you have done that.